So student, today we are going to start about the impact of the migration. What is the result of a migration? Large scale migration affect the donor region from which the people migrate and the receiver region to which they migrate go. It may change the size and the age sex composition of the population. It may change the birth rate and the death rate, social conditions such as the level of education, condition of health, and so on. It may change the economic condition too, like a production, resource, development, income, expenses, and so on. The changes may be positive or may be negative. So, what is the impact of migration on donor region? That means from where the peoples are going. First thing, immigrate reduces the population density, which in turn reduces the pressure of resources. Next, immigrate reduces the birth rate. Mostly young which wishes raise the family. Migrate often send back money to the people in their original home. This helps to improve the economy of the native places. That means they send money to their their parents or what happened? The income goes to the donor place. This helps to improve the economy of India. In India, the often happens cases of urban migration. It also happens in cases of external migration. For example, many families in Kerala have been attained a better standard of living with the money sent back members working in Dubai, Abu, other places in Arabian countries. Now, native. What is the negative effects? Immigration may lead loss of labor, especially skilled person. Immigrant leads the loss of young people working age, reduce the working population. Immigrant cause the family structure to break down. It may also make the sex ratio abnormal. Immigrant often give up their own culture and adopt the culture of a place where they settle. This becomes more and more evident for this generation. Then a impact of the receivers. Which country receives, where they migrate. Immigrate reduces the underpopulation. It increases supply of labor. Immigrant work with willingly to work in a cheaper rate. Immigrate increase the working population. Birth rate, death rate low. Large section of population compares to the old people. The presence of people of different race, religion, language, culture in society increase the understanding and tolerance among the different people. The presence of people of different races, they have the increase the understanding among the different people. People coming from the other countries can encourage the local people to learn different language, which make it easier for them to work in the other countries. So these are the positive effects of the donor. Negative effect we will read in the next coming period. So thank you. Read and try to understand.